Hello, welcome to this course on software engineering. Now we will just have a brief introduction on various issues in software engineering, the motivation, why we need to study this course, what are the benefits that will occur from here, and so on. Let's get started. First, about myself. My name is Mahesh Kumar, working as assistant professor in the Department of Emerging Technologies in Computer Science from G. Pullareddy Engineering College. And topics that will be covered in this lecture: first, software engineering and software engineering definition, characteristics of software engineering. Coming to first, about subject, it is one of the important subject, because if you want to enter into any software organization, you need to know the basic concept. Means how you are going to develop the project. Means here we are not talking about the coding, that what we are going to do, but the project, the way you are going to deliver. Okay, from starting to ending, what are the criteria that you have to make sure that you have to follow, what are the systematic approaches you have to follow, what are the disciplines that you have to follow to create any product, that is called it a software now. Okay, and coming to uh, software engineering formal definition. You already know what is software and what is hardware. Uh, the formal definition of software is a collection of executable codes, associated libraries, and documentation. Software is a collection of executable codes or cores cores and their associated libraries and documentation. You know, any program code and associate libraries and documents, simple set of executable codes will come under software. Executable, that is, must be able to execute it. Coming to non-executable, they having some errors and bugs, you cannot execute them, right? It is a collection of executable program codes, associated libraries, and documentation, that is the libraries that all comes under software. And coming to engineering, in the word software engineering, you came across engineering here. The engineering means it is a application of science, tools, and methods to find cost effective solution to simple complex problems. So engineering means you are just finding in applications for all science tools to find cost effective solution. So the main thing the main thing is here, whatever the product, whatever the criteria, using the output should be effective. The output should be careful, whatever we are designing. So why get an output with a good perfect, that should be cost effective solution to the problem. Whatever the problem we are solving, the problem should be cost effective. So this is a definition. It is application of science and tools and methods to find cost effective solution to simple and complex problems. And next, the actual concept of software engineering. This is the IEEE standard definition. Software engineering is defined as systematic, disciplined, and quantifiable approach for the development, operations, and maintenance of software. So whatever the product you are going to develop, whatever the operations that you are going to perform on the product, whatever the maintenance you are doing after the completion of product, so for each and every stage you follow some systematic, discipline, and quantifiable approach, and make sure that the output, that should be cost effective. But everything will be successful if you follow these rules, then your output will be effective, that you call a software engineering. Finally, the last concept is characteristics of software engineering. Software engineering, let's see characteristics of software engineering. Software is developed or engineered and is not manufactured. Software does not wear out. Software is custom built. See, first, software is developed or engineering and is not manufactured. So what do you mean by development and what do you mean by manufacturing? Development is nothing but completely new things that you will entirely new things that you will be creating in developing or engineering. But in case manufacture, you will not do that. You are copying or modifying the from existing one. Existing means past. Have, so modifying that, you will have a prototype, you will have a design, you will have a model, blueprint, like blueprint kind of thing, you will following it. So software is developed or engineered and it is not manufactured, and software does not wear out. Wearing out nothing but, see, on time you cannot use it. Suppose you are purchasing a shirt or pant or any clothes, after 1 year or 2 years it, uh, 1 year 2 years later on you cannot use it, right? Even shoes and footwear also kind, you cannot use things, time passes. But in case software does not wear out, which means you can use forever, there is no expiry date for software. Software is custom built. Suppose let us take any food items or anything that already manufactured, you go to supermarket, you will pick and you will use it. And here in software, here in software, according to the customers requirements, you are all developing softwares. So most of the time it will be custom built, only. So in rare cases it will be application built. Okay, thank you.